Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Enemona Onyeke. If you are new here, I am on a 21 days talk to the camera challenge, and today is day 5. This is just phase 1 of the challenge. So as we approach the end of the phase 1, which is the first 7 days, I want to believe you have been able to pick one or two from what I've shared so far. So what we'll be discussing in today's video came up from day 4 video. So after I posted the day 4 video, my nephew came up with a question regarding the skill aspect, which is going to be what we'll look at in today's video. He came with the view that there are still people who have skill and they don't still make money with it. So at the end of that particular day 4 video, I said something that okay, if you have a skill and you are putting in the work and you still don't see the results you want, I encourage you to keep doing the work. Just check where you need to make adjustments and just keep doing the work. Over time the result is going to come. But then there is a category of skilled people that I would like to talk about in today's video. When it comes to skill, no doubt if you are skilled, your skill is going to make way for you. But there are still people that are skilled but are struggling. On several occasions, some people may want to say, okay, it is not their time yet, right? Why we may want to sympathize and understand that with you. There are a few things that some of them may be doing that could hinder their breakthrough. And when it comes to success, success is universal. It doesn't know race, it doesn't know tribes, it doesn't know religion. So it is a principle, and once you are able to stick to that principle, regardless of who you are and where you are coming from, you are definitely going to be successful in whatever you are doing. So for skilled people that are struggling to make money with their skill, I'm just going to give 3 advice on what you can do or what could be the possible cause why you are not seeing the desired results you want. First of all, I want to talk about lack of action, problem of not acting when you are supposed to act. In online space, over time, one thing that I've been very critical is action. Taking action is so very important that it beats every other thing, whether you are skilled or not. Whenever you have opportunity to do anything, acting at the right time is very important. Some of us like to take action when it is already late or where that particular action is not needed. So whatever business you are doing, whatever skill you are doing, you need to learn to take action, right? There are some people that have things that will bring them money, but they are not acting on it. That way you are not going to make any money. So if you have skill and you are not making effort to do what will bring you money with that skill, you are going to struggle, and you feel that okay, the person that taught you or the OGs are hiding 1 or 2 things from you. They are not hiding anything. It's because you are not taking action when you are supposed to take action, or not doing the right thing that you are supposed to do. There are a lot of us now, we bought courses. Some of us have not even finished the modules. We have not even watched the introduction of the course. And some of those people can go online and start attacking the course seller that, oh, this thing is fake, it's not working. Why I understand that there might be some people that package what is not working. There are still others that bought 1 or 2 courses on a particular skill, and you see them complain. When you investigate further, you get to see that these people did not really even take the least action that was required by them. I'm saying this because it's a general thing. We have some people that are fond of buying courses and not watching, while some people watch and they don't take the action. All these are steps that you need to do to be able to earn from whatever thing you are learning. So please, this is a wake-up call to every skilled person out there. I want you to be intentional and deliberate with taking action that will help you make money with your skill. I was talking about online people. When you go offline, it is even worse. For instance, if we are going to use the tailors are fond of disappointing their customer, some of them. So I'm not generalizing all the tailors at this point. Some of the tailors are fond of disappointing their clients. When you have this kind of attitude, it's going to make you go out of client base over time, because the best way of marketing, especially for skilled person, is through referrals. And if I patronize you as a tailor, you fail to deliver my job as at when due, there are people that, okay, I talk to them about your business, maybe one or two discussion, your talk may come up, and I'll tell them, oh, you disappointed me. That way those other people will now be careful of you next time. So whichever business you are doing, whether online or offline, please, let's be intentional, taking action that will help our businesses grow. Secondly, what I want to also talk about is marketing. So a lot of skilled persons are very poor when it comes to marketing. And marketing is so crucial that you get to see top companies around the world. You get to see that they are very intentional and strategic with their marketing. Today, when you go on YouTube, you get to see Facebook advertising Facebook on YouTube. The same thing, you come to Facebook, you see YouTube advertising one or two of their products on Facebook. There is this popular YouTube advert that was chasing everyone almost anywhere you go. I cannot really remember that particular advert, but I know there is this crucial line from that particular advert. I was seeing it on Facebook and other social media platform that is not YouTube. This is to show you how intentional these companies are when it comes to marketing. And you that you are just starting, you are a graphic designer, nobody outside your immediate family knows that you are a graphic designer. You are a tailor, nobody knows except you and your family member. You are not marketing yourself, you are not putting yourself out there. In fact, when you are a tailor, you are also supposed to model some of your work. At the end of the day, people get to ask, who is the tailor? And you tell them, I am the tailor. But some tailors are putting on what will not allow the other person to ask who the tailor is.
Oh my God!
We need to take marketing serious. Every business thrives on marketing. That is why you see some businesses go as far as indoctrinating their people. Some time ago, there was a particular networking business that was trending over the internet. That is how far the company have gone to ensure that people get to hear about their business. So please, if you have any skill that you are not making money from it, please take your marketing seriously. Every day, try to post about your business on your social media platform. This point, I'm not even talking about you going for paid advert, right? You have Facebook, you have WhatsApp, you have Instagram. In fact, we have all the social media platforms that are available. Please start putting your work or whatever you do out there. This way, you get other eyeballs to see your work aside from your close circle. And finally, I want to end this particular video with the third point, which is on problem solving. People have become really great in life because at a point they were able to discover a problem and offer a solution to it. Today I'm shooting this video with the help of a tripod because once upon a time someone thought that the people shooting video will need something for their phone to stand on to maybe ensure there is no any third party, or to ensure a stable shot, especially for a talking head video. The lights, in fact, everything we use today was once upon a time a problem that was discovered by a person, and that person went on to provide a solution to it. Even with our skill, what is going to stand us out is our problem solving. I can go on and on listing top companies that are in existence today because of their problem solving. We need to be intentional with our skill, and we need to always find a problem and solve with our skill. That was why I talked about pushing ourselves like extra, trying to go the extra mile. At this rate, and the way the world is moving so fast, you cannot afford to continue as business as usual. You need to push yourself harder, and you need to think strategically how you can be able to solve problem. You don't even need to go deeper. Everyday problem, people are solving everyday problem and they are making money. This particular video is a wake-up call, and if you are a skilled person and you are struggling to make money, this particular video is for you. And I hope by the time you are able to get to this point of this video, you were able to pick one or two things that will help you make money from your skill. And that is all for day 5 of my 21 days talk to the camera, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to me on my social media handle. On Twitter, you can find me as Enemona Onyiki. In fact, on all my social media platforms, I am Enemona Onyiki. And that is all for now, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.